Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming target PSI for your surface because proper traction matters. First, check current pressure and set the tool ready. Attach it firmly to the valve stem so no air escapes. Once attached, press the release valve gently to let air out in controlled bursts. This prevents sudden deflation. Make sure to monitor pressure with a gauge as you go. You want steady drops toward the target, not a fast, uncontrolled loss. You now perform the core steps. Release air in short, controlled bursts of 2 to 3 seconds because slow release lets you verify tire behavior. After each burst, recheck the gauge and compare to your target PSI. This ensures even deflation across all tires. Once a tire nears its target, stop and allow bead seating to stabilize. Also, rotate through tires methodically. Deflate one, then the next. So you finish by confirming each tire reads the intended PSI, recording the numbers so you can return to highway pressures later. Make sure to replace valve caps and stow your tool. If you need to reinflate, use a portable compressor. Drive slowly until full pressures are restored. If a tire rapidly loses pressure, stop, reseat the bead and inspect for punctures or a bad valve connection. If the air-down tool appears faulty, replace it before continuing for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.